Topic for today is heart sounds, a very important and high yield topic but also a difficult one. So let's clarify the basic concepts of heart sounds without wasting any time. Heart sounds can be either cardiac or extracardiac. The extracardiac sounds are produced because of the abnormal blood flow in the vessels in hyperdynamic circulation. So when blood flows with greater velocity in the vessels, it produces a high frequency sound. When this sound is produced in the arteries, these are called bruits, and when it is produced in the veins, it is called venous hump. Coming to the cardiac sounds, they can be either normal or abnormal. The normal sounds include S1, S2, S3, and S4. S1 and S2 are produced because of the closure of the valves, whereas S3 is produced because of the excessive gushing of the blood in the ventricles and is considered normal before the age of 35. And S4 is produced because of a very stiff ventricle and is considered normal after the age of 45. To understand the normal heart sounds S1 and S2, we need to have a look at the cardiac cycle. During the systole, when the heart contracts, the blood flows from the ventricles to the aorta and pulmonary vessels. During this phase, there is a closure of the tricuspid and mitral valves and opening of the aortic and pulmonary valves. So, the closure of these tricuspid and mitral valves produce the first heart sound, that is S1, and is the lub in lub dub of heart sound. When the heart relaxes during the diastole, the blood from the atria flows into the ventricles and there is an opening of the tricuspid and mitral valves, whereas there is a closure of the pulmonary and the aortic valve. And the closure of these valves produce the second heart sound, that is S2, and is the dub in lub dub. Coming to the abnormal heart sounds, they are produced either because of the opening of the AV valves or because of the abnormal blood flow in the heart and produce murmurs. There is a magic point over here to be remembered, that opening of the valves never produce a sound. If the opening of the valves produce a sound, it is the abnormal heart sound. It can be either in systole or diastole. When it happens in the systole, these are called clicks, and during the diastole, these are called snaps. We know that during the systole, there is the opening of the aortic and pulmonary valves. So, when the opening of pulmonary and aortic valves produce a sound, these are called clicks. And during the diastole, there is the opening of the tricuspid and mitral valves, and when these opening valves produce a sound, these are called snaps. So there is a snap in a tricuspid and bicuspid valve. Now, discussing the murmurs that are produced because of the abnormal blood flow in the heart, they can be either swishing or whooshing murmurs and are caused because of the abnormal blood flow in the heart or extracardiac parameters. There can be either functional murmurs or organic murmurs. In the functional murmurs, there is no organic lesion in the heart or any problem with the valve or the vessel. These are because of the hyperdynamic blood flow, as in anemia or thyrotoxicosis or in increased oxygen consumption. The organic murmurs include the systolic murmur, diastolic murmur, and the systolic diastolic murmur. In the next video, we will discuss the difference between functional murmurs and organic murmurs on diagnostic basis. So let's revise. Heart sounds are either cardiac and extracardiac. The extracardiac sounds include bruits in the arteries and venous hump in the veins, whereas the cardiac sounds are either normal sounds or abnormal sounds. The normal sounds we know are S1, S2, S3, and S4, whereas the abnormal ones can be either because of some problem in the valve or in the blood flow. The opening of the valves during the systole produce clicks, the aortic and pulmonary clicks, and during the diastole produce the snaps, the tricuspid and bicuspid snaps. The abnormal blood flow produce the murmurs, the functional murmurs with no organic lesion and the organic murmurs with the organic lesion. Thank you for watching.